N'hésitez pas à m'appeler.
Please feel free to call me up. Please feel free to call me up.
J'aime le jazz.
I'm into jazz. I'm into jazz.
C'est à qui le tour maintenant?
Whose turn is it next? Whose turn is it next?
C'est à 10 minutes à pied d'ici.
It's a 10-minute walk from here. It's a 10-minute walk from here.
J'ai bronzé.
I got suntanned. I got suntanned.
On peut commencer.
Let's get started. Let's get started.
C'est une bonne nouvelle.
That's great news. That's great news.
J'ai peur de devoir partir maintenant.
I'm afraid I must go now. I'm afraid I must go now.
Vous avez été très utile.
You've been very helpful. You've been very helpful.
Nous devrions nous en tenir à notre plan.
We should stick to our plan. We should stick to our plan.
Vous semblez joyeux.
You look cheerful. You look cheerful.
C'est cassé ici.
It's broken here. It's broken here.
C'est trop épicé.
It's so spicy. It's so spicy.
Je suis sûre que vous allez apprécier.
I'm sure you'll like it. I'm sure you'll like it.
J'espère que ça vous plaira.
I hope you like it. I hope you like it.
Qui est l'auteur de cette histoire?
Who is the author of this story? Who is the author of this story?
C'est une photo de ma sœur.
This is a picture of my sister. This is a picture of my sister.
Reprenez-en un peu plus.
Have some more. Have some more.
Allez tout droit.
Go straight. Go straight.
Quel est le plat le plus populaire ici?
What's the most popular dish here? What's the most popular dish here?
Amenez-vous.
Just bring yourself. Just bring yourself.
Je laisse libre cours à votre imagination.
I'll leave it to your imagination. I'll leave it to your imagination.
Voulez-vous vous joindre à moi?
Would you like to join me? Would you like to join me?
Qu'est-ce qui est à la mode à New York?
What's in fashion in New York? What's in fashion in New York?
J'ai été transférée.
I got transferred. I got transferred.
Je peux les essayer?
Can I try these on? Can I try these on?
Vous en avez des moins chers?
Do you have less expensive ones? Do you have less expensive ones?
Elle est incroyable!
She's amazing. She's amazing.
Je suis heureux que ça vous plaise.
I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it.
C'est ma tournée.
It's on me. It's on me.
Êtes-vous debout?
Are you up? Are you up?
Déplacez-le vers la gauche.
Move it more to the left. Move it more to the left.
Quel soulagement!
What a relief. What a relief.
Je me sens mieux.
I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better.
Le petit déjeuner est gratuit?
Is breakfast complimentary? Is breakfast complimentary?
Je vais vous préparer du thé.
I'll make you some tea. I'll make you some tea.
Ce film est passé à la télé.
That movie was shown on TV. That movie was shown on TV.
Comment ça se passe?
How's it going? How's it going?
Comment puis-je y aller?
How can I get there? How can I get there?
Laissez-moi vérifier.
Let me check. Let me check.
Que faites-vous pendant votre temps libre?
What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
Dites cheese.
Say cheese. Say cheese.
À quelle heure finissez-vous le travail?
What time do you finish work? What time do you finish work?
Cette musique convient à mon humeur actuelle.
This music suits my present mood. This music suits my present mood.
Tout le monde fait des erreurs.
Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes.
Oh, je vais probablement rester à la maison.
Oh, I'll probably just stay home. Oh, I'll probably just stay home.
Ce canapé prend trop de place.
This sofa takes too much room. This sofa takes too much room.
Comment vont les affaires?
How's business? How's business?
J'ai presque oublié.
I almost forgot. I almost forgot.
Est-ce que je peux essayer un morceau maintenant?
May I try a piece now? May I try a piece now?
Je n'arrive pas à le croire.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Je me sens en pleine forme.
I feel great. I feel great.
J'aimerais pouvoir rester plus longtemps.
I wish I could stay longer. I wish I could stay longer.
Faisons une pause.
Let's take a break. Let's take a break.
Je peux me joindre à vous?
May I join you? May I join you?
Fixons une heure pour nous rencontrer.
Let's fix a time to meet. Let's fix a time to meet.
Ce sera tout?
Is that all? Is that all?
Je suis en vacances.
I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation.
Nous sommes ouverts 24 heures sur 24, 7 jours sur 7.
We're open 24/7. We're open 24/7.
J'ai un peu froid.
I'm feeling a bit chilly. I'm feeling a bit chilly.
Je ne sais pas quoi faire.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Il n'y a pas d'urgence.
There's no rush. There's no rush.
Combien de temps cela prendra-t-il pour arriver là-bas?
How long will it take to get there? How long will it take to get there?
C'est pourri.
It's rotten. It's rotten.
J'ai passé dimanche dernier à lire des romans.
I spent last Sunday reading novels. I spent last Sunday reading novels.
Comme c'est gentil.
How sweet. How sweet.
Je veux être bon en anglais.
I want to be good at English. I want to be good at English.
J'aimerais faire une réservation.
I'd like to make a reservation. I'd like to make a reservation.
Est-ce que ça aide?
Does it help? Does it help?
Il n'y a pas d'urgence.
There's no hurry. There's no hurry.
Comment dit-on ça en anglais?
How do you say this in English? How do you say this in English?
Pourquoi vous n'essayez pas?
Why don't you try it? Why don't you try it?
Voulez-vous danser?
Shall we dance? Shall we dance?
Allons faire du shopping.
Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping.
Pourrais-je en avoir un tiers?
Could I have 1/3 of it? Could I have 1/3 of it?
Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire?
What does it mean? What does it mean?
J'ai hâte d'y être.
I can't wait. I can't wait.
Je crois en vous.
I believe in you. I believe in you.
Comment allez-vous?
How have you been? How have you been?
Je vous emmène où vous voulez.
I'll take you anywhere you want. I'll take you anywhere you want.
C'est la corvée que je préfère le moins.
This is my least favorite chore. This is my least favorite chore.
Je voudrais une chambre double.
I'd like a double room. I'd like a double room.
Pourriez-vous les mettre dans des sacs séparés?
Could you put them in separate bags? Could you put them in separate bags?
J'ai été piqué par un moustique.
I was bitten by a mosquito. I was bitten by a mosquito.
Nous avons discuté du plan hier.
We discussed the plan yesterday. We discussed the plan yesterday.
Je suis désolée de vous avoir fait attendre.
I'm sorry to have kept you waiting. I'm sorry to have kept you waiting.
Pouvez-vous me laisser descendre ici?
Can you let me off here? Can you let me off here?
Je peux avoir la carte des vins?
Can I have a wine list? Can I have a wine list?
J'ai faim.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Quel temps fera-t-il samedi?
What's the weather for Saturday? What's the weather for Saturday?
Je vais prendre un bain.
I'm going to take a bath. I'm going to take a bath.
J'apprécie vraiment votre intérêt.
I really appreciate your concern. I really appreciate your concern.
Des suggestions?
Any suggestions? Any suggestions?
Demandez-lui de m'appeler.
Please ask him to call me. Please ask him to call me.
Cette maison n'est pas très grande.
This house is not very large. This house is not very large.
Ça a l'air génial!
That sounds great. That sounds great.
Vous séjournez dans cet hôtel?
Are you staying at this hotel? Are you staying at this hotel?
Voici votre monnaie.
Here's your change. Here's your change.
Appelez-moi Chris.
Call me Chris. Call me Chris.
Quand avez-vous commencé à apprendre le chinois?
When did you start learning Chinese? When did you start learning Chinese?
Il y avait beaucoup de circulation?
Was there a lot of traffic? Was there a lot of traffic?
Vous m'inspirez.
You inspire me. You inspire me.
Quelle belle fleur c'est!
What a beautiful flower this is. What a beautiful flower this is.
Vous êtes fantastique!
You look fantastic. You look fantastic.
Parlez-moi de votre vie quotidienne.
Tell me about your daily life. Tell me about your daily life.
Je suis désolée de vous faire attendre.
I'm sorry to make you wait. I'm sorry to make you wait.